As a part of regular maintenance for your machine, you may need to lubricate the walking belt on your treadmill. This video will cover the correct way to apply and lubricate your walking belt. Before you begin, remove your safety key and unplug the power cord. With your machine off and unplugged, start by cutting or tearing along the perforated tip of the lube package. Then, lift one edge of the walking belt as shown and apply 1/4 of the packet of lube in an S or zigzag pattern. Be sure to leave enough lube to repeat this step 3 more times as we do the other side, and then rotate the belt later on. Take note to apply the lube to the center of the board and work out towards the edge of the belt. You also want to leave a 1 to 2 inch gap from the edge of the belt. After one side is applied, repeat these steps on the other side of the belt. With both sides applied, rub the entire surface of the walking belt to help transfer and spread out the lube between the walking belt and the walking deck. When the lubricant is evenly spread and transferred, carefully rotate the walking belt 180 degrees. Take note of where the walking belt seam is, as a reference to where you started or stopped in this step. With the walking belt rotated 180 degrees, repeat the same steps as before to lubricate both sides of the walking belt. Remember to work from the center of the walking deck and work towards the edge of the belt, leaving a 1 to 2 inch gap from the edge of the belt. Once the belt is fully lubricated on both sides, plug in your treadmill and insert your safety key. Set the treadmill speed to 2.5 miles per hour or 4 kilometers per hour. Begin walking on the belt, start at the front and move left to right, then front to back. Continue to do this a few times till all portions of the walking belt have been covered and the lubricant has been evenly transferred across the walking belt.